Okay, here we go again. Vacation is over and it's time to start making some of these videos again. And I'm going to continue sharing content from my latest book, which is called The Secrets of Sound Healing. This video is going to be pretty short and sweet. I'm going to talk about the drone. The drone is the fundament, is the base. In sound healing tradition, the drone is often referred to as God. Everything arises from the drone and everything will return back to the drone. It's kind of difficult to explain the drone. I mean, in one way it's not difficult at all because the drone is the root note and it runs through the entire piece of music that you have created. At least it should. But at the same time, there are many mysteries surrounding the drone. So it's difficult to explain in technical terms, really, although that sort of doesn't make sense. It should be easy to explain. To fully understand the importance of the drone and how to really use it and how to choose it, you just need to experiment and experience and listen and try out different things. Of course, you can use the what I call the sacred frequencies or the magic frequencies as the drone tone, and it's as simple as that, really. But on the other hand, it's not that simple. And this is where we get into a territory that is kind of mysterious and mystical. It's not logical. So I'm just gonna read to you what I've written in the book about the drone. It's very short. There's a lot of room for interpretation, but it's the best I can do, really, the way I see it. And through these videos and through what I've written, I want to give away almost everything I know. I want to give away 99%, but that last 1% I want you to earn. I want you to work for it, just like I have worked for the knowledge that I have and the experience that I have, and just like I keep working for new knowledge and new experience. It needs to be earned. It shouldn't just be given for free and you can take it to run with it. I think so anyway, but I might be weird. But anyway, I'm gonna read to you from the book now. The drone is God. It is mother and father. All notes arise from the drone and will return to it. It's the fundament, the root, the base. All songs that are aware and respectful of the ancient art of music have one single root note. And this is the drone. Ever present in the background, it's like the earth itself, lovingly sustaining all life upon it. Choose your drone wisely, because it will make or break your effort, whatever it is you wish to accomplish. And that's pretty much it. You take that and you interpret it however you wish. And I wish you all the best. That's it for this video. It doesn't have to be longer or more complicated than that, really. If you appreciate the work I do on this channel and elsewhere, I appreciate you, of course. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to support me in any way, you can get any of my books on Amazon, both as Kindle and paperback. You can stream my music in Spotify, you can download in iTunes. I'm also on Amazon Music, Google Music, Deezer, Bandcamp, SoundCloud. I share all my music here on this YouTube channel. I will link my website in the description of this video, and if you click that link, you will find links to pretty much everything I do. I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.